Kia ora koutou. This is video number 5 in the series about different types of rerenga kōrero. This one is about Ngā Rereāhua, descriptive sentences. Rereāhua are sentences that describe things, people, animals, pretty much anything that you want to describe. The Rereāhua uses a tūāhua, a describing word or an adjective. Here's how the sentence works. We start with he. Next comes the tūāhua, the describing word. And then the object of the sentence, the item that the sentence is describing. And in these sentences, I'm going to use tū ingoa or nouns. Let's look at a couple of examples. Here's the first one. He nui te whare. The house is big. The tūāhua is nui, and the object we're describing is te whare. Here's the next one. This time we're going to use a colour as our tūāhua. He whero te pukapuka. The book is read. I'd like to show you the difference between using he to describe someone or something and using a tohu wā. They're basically doing the same thing, describing, and they both use tūāhua. The main thing that sets these two sentence models apart is that with he, we are describing something as having a permanent quality. When we have a tohu wā, like kite, e ana, or any of these other tense markers, we're describing a quality that is bound to that time. Let me show you what I mean. In this first example, he kikorangi te rangi, the sky is blue. It's a relatively permanent quality of the sky. When we use tense markers, on the other hand, like kite, e ana, kua, and ka, we're only talking about the personal thing having that quality at that time. For example, kei te paki te rā, or e paki ana te rā. The day is fine. It's a fine day at that point in time, but it's not a permanent quality. Here's another one. I pai te hui. The meeting was good. Kua makariri te wiki. The week has been cold. And the last one. Ka roa te haerenga. The journey will be long. None of these describe a quality that is permanent, so we use the appropriate tohu wā instead. Hei whakakapi māku. In this video, we looked at a bit of an introduction to descriptive sentences and how to describe things using he and different tohu wā. Check out Ngā Rereāhua Part 2, where we'll be talking about ngā kare ā-roto, feelings words, and how to use questions to ask how people or things are feeling or how they are. I will see you there. Hei kona.